For what purpose does the lady from Orange, Representative Price, rise?
To debate the bill.
Ladies recognized to debate the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Senate Bill 747 has the potential, I think, to hinder North Carolinians from exercising their constitutional right to vote. Some of the proposed changes to the elections law go counter to the reason our nation was founded. Just this past July, this nation celebrated the 247th anniversary of the dawn of a new era in world history, that being the establishment of the United States, a new republic based on democracy. Americans had rejected the tyranny of the English crown and founded the United States so that citizens could participate in their own governance. The basis of our nation, therefore, is no taxation without representation, the right to be represented, and the right to vote for those representatives. Our founding documents, as well as the subsequent legislative and judicial acts and laws, bear out these tenets. The Constitution, the Bill of Rights, the 17 Amendments, the Voting Rights Act, and U.S. Supreme Court decisions all are intended to assure access to the ballot box for all American citizens. One issue that gravely concerns me in this bill is the latitude being given to poll observers that very possibly could be perceived as voter intimidation and harassment. As long as they supposedly do not interfere with the privacy of any voter, poll observers will be allowed to listen in to conversations between a voter and an election official in the voting place, provided the conversation concerns election administration. Another permission would be to move about the voting place, including the area of curbside voting. They'll also be allowed to communicate with their phones, their cell phones, and it's unclear to me where they will be allowed to use these phones. So giving poll observers permission to linger around voters and to listen in on conversations with no apparent justifiable reason translates as intimidation and harassment. If voters feel that they will be targeted and subjected to scrutiny when entering a polling place, they may decide not to vote. One easily could deduce that the intention of this bill is to deny certain people access to the ballot box. The right to vote, obviously, is precious. It is precious. Otherwise, why would people, those who have been disenfranchised and those fighting for justice for all, have sacrificed their lives for the right? Please vote to sustain the governor's veto and protect and defend our right to vote. Thank you.